Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at Full Throttle. Thank you very much for tuning in on today's episode. Today is a very special one. As you can see, we got the trailer hooked up to the GLK. Definitely a huge shout out to my good friend that lent me this trailer to make today's episode possible. So today we're on a little bit of a road trip with the GLK and the trailer to go pick up a special package that we actually just recently bidded on at the auction. And it's going to transform the Full Throttle headquarters and give us just more ability. I'm not going to say anything else. I'm going to wait to show you guys what we're picking up today. So stay tuned. Let's hit the road. 5 more minutes away and then we'll get the trailer loaded up and at least show you guys what's loaded onto the trailer, and we'll see if you guys can guess what it is. Guys, we're just finishing up the strapping here. Try not to show you any of those pictures on the boxes, but the GLK is fully loaded and we're ready to roll and hit the road, get back to the Full Throttle headquarters, and I'll be showing you guys what we have in these crates. All right guys, we're just on the highway here now. As you can see, the trailer's loaded up. Just gonna pause here for a second, gonna merge on. But yeah, so some footage there of the trailer getting loaded up with the new crates. Kind of messy footage as I had to help the guys kind of coordinate getting the crates loaded up properly and safely. We are on the highway. Figured to give you guys a little bit of an update. We're just cruising here now. We got about 105 kilometers to go. And then we will be trying to figure out how to unload these things at home, because of course we don't have no forklift or any heavy equipment like that to unload these. I think one crate weighs over 600 pounds and the smaller one is only about 250. That one I'm not too concerned about, but the big fella there at over 600 pounds is going to be kind of interesting to move, so we'll see how that goes. But anyways guys, like I said, just wanted to give you a bit of an update. I'm gonna get off the camera here and get home safely, and then we'll touch base with you guys in a little bit. So we'll see you soon. Finally back home. We have the trailer pulled up, but now you're seeing one of the crates, and that is we have a brand new industrial heavy duty wheel balancer, and I'm sure you guys can guess what's in the next crate as well. But now we got to figure out how to unload this. I think for now this might be the area we're going to set up the equipment in. But again, I'm still trying to figure out the best garage layout. We do still need to get rid of this pole or this post supporting this beam. We're going to put in a bigger, beefier beam and eliminate that. That way we'll get much more open floor space. I'll be able to pull in another car, have lots more options with that. And of course we have the boat restoration project coming up on the channel also, guys. It's just so much to do, so little time. But the next step, we need to get these things removed. I'm not too concerned about the heavy duty wheel balancer. We're looking at, I think, at 250 pounds on the box. It's the big beast behind her, sitting at over 600 pounds. So wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna try to shuffle this thing off and then into the corner, and then I'm gonna have a tough time with that big one. But let's get to it. All right, guys, we finally got these things unloaded off the trailer. I have to admit, it went better than I initially thought it was going to. We used some the car dollies that normally we use to transport the vehicles or move the vehicles inside the garage. They came in handy big time. We used the dolly cart, which was fantastic as well, and then just some brute force. But anyways, guys, we got them inside the garage. And check this out, guys. Super stoked to finally have a tire machine and balancer for the Full Throttle headquarters, guys. This is going to allow us to eliminate any risk sending tire jobs out to any companies local. So they have never been used, never been opened, all brand new, and I just got it at a fraction of the price. That's the only way I was able to do this. I think that tire machine, the pneumatic assist arm, is optional, but we have the tilt back tire changer with bead blaster system that is on their website for about $4,000 Canadian. And then I do believe this is $2,000 on the website, heavy duty wheel balancer, again from TMG Industrials, guys. So we will be doing an episode setting these up, trying to figure out where they'll fit in the garage properly. Of course, guys, I don't know where that's going to be quite yet. We have so many things in the garage right now. We got the SLK in the far corner, and that's where I'm kind of planning on setting up all of the cabinetry and tool chests in this kind of L-shaped corner here. And then of course the SLK will be moved, obviously. I'm hoping to still get rid of this post here. That will give me the ability to pull the vehicles in. But let me know, guys, where do you think I should set up the tire machine and balancer? Obviously that corner is going to be just strictly for parking the cars. That's kind of the AMG bay there. But I'm not sure if I will maybe set them up in this corner once this stuff's all set up. I'll have some more room in here. We do have some understair storage as well, so I don't really want to block that too much. Super stoked to finally have some of this equipment myself, bring you guys along for the ride and show you guys, maybe you guys are interested in purchasing a tire machine and balancer for yourself at home, and maybe a little bit of a side hustle as well. It's definitely a moneymaker depending on your location. And if you know what you're doing and you're qualified, you can make some good money on the side. So you can never beat that, guys. That's kind of the way I'm looking at it. I'm hoping to get these things set up and then also try to offer this service out to people, whether it's motorcycles, ATVs, cars, trucks, trailer tires, anything you can think of, these machines can handle it. So I'm thinking might actually be a secondary revenue, something to consider, but otherwise the main priority is being able to do my own stuff, look after the vehicles I have, the trailers and etc. And you know, it's just a peace of mind. That's why I started this channel, is to show you guys how easy it is to do your own work at home. Not only save yourself quite a bit of money, but at the end of the day, you know you did it, you know how it was done, and you know it was done right. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to stay tuned for the second one coming real soon. We're gonna be cracking these things open, getting them set up, and kind of an initial review on them as well. And then of course, I can't wait to do the first tire change on them coming real soon to you guys. So again, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and until next time, you guys know what to do. Keep red full throttle.